Hi, hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a product of Maris. We are going to do unboxing of the product and the review. So we will talk each and everything about the product, the quantity, the quality, whatever is inside the pouch. So let's get started. So it basically comes in a pouch like this. It came with a very beautiful packaging. I really like the packaging. So we'll open it and see what is inside. So you can see they are giving a lot, like it's total of 21 pencil, including 3 charcoal pencil and 3 blending stumps they are giving of different size, and a pencil extender with the dangerous thing. It's a knife cutter. So we'll just remove the pencil extender and show you how to extend the pencil, how to use it. So when the pencil gets shorter, then we enter the back part of the pencil inside this, and it works like this. The when our pencil gets chotu, no, that time we use this. So this is a kneadable eraser. So we'll see how it works. It's like a clay, and this is a eraser written 4B. I don't know what is this 4B for. We'll use it and see. How's it? It's come very nice package. You can see the product of the pouch also. I'm liking it, but how to close it, I'm not able to figure it out. Sorry. How to close it. So yeah, I think I know it's wrong. So I'm just not able to figure it out. Damn, I don't know how did I open it. If you guys are able to figure it out, please tell me in the comment. Look at this. How is it? Not able to figure out only. There's one over here. I think we should just leave it. It's wasting my time only. This is fine. I don't know how they packed it. So let us just sharp our pencils quickly. So see how smoothly I can sharp it, but this one is creating problem for me. No, the wood was so tight. I was not able to sharp it with the sharpener. I even tried with cutter, but you know sometimes it happens because the quality of wood is not nice. That's why. The rest all are fine. I'm able to sharp it very nicely. I have just removed one pencil of every grade. So now we are ready to use it. So I'll use it from the lightest grade to darkest grade. Okay, so this was the lightest in this set. This is 2H. I'll just write it. This is a little darker from the previous one, and this one is, you can see how I use it, like applying pressure. If you apply less pressure, it will be lighter. If you apply more pressure, it will be darker little. So it was 2B, and this one is 3B probably. Yes, this is 3B. I'm just using it how I have. I'm not applying much pressure, but it is coming out like this only. It is 4B. Here HB I have not used because HB we all know, we are using it since our childhood, I guess. So I'm not using the HB pencil, but there is a HB pencil in this set. There are duplicate, like they have given double pencils, like 4B they have given 2, HB they have given 2, so they have given double pencils. Was 5B, you can see 6B is darker than 5B, then 7B is more darker. I have not applied lot of pressure in this. Just coming out like this only. Sorry for being so much formal with you guys. You can tell me in the comment if you don't like how the way I talk, so formally. You can see charcoal pencil. This is hard because the smooth one is so flawless. I really like using smooth, soft charcoal pencil. This is neutral. And after using all of this, I'll show you how to blend and all also. See, I'm blending it with a, you know, just a brush. It's coming out very nicely. I'm probably soon going to make something out of this pencil. Like, yeah, I'm really liking this pencil. New set. Actually, one of my friend have gifted me this. He might be so happy I'm doing unboxing after 1 month of my gift. This is the soft one and it is very, very, very smooth. I really like using soft charcoal pencil. So I'll not say these are the best pencil I have ever used, but this one, is very good for beginner, I'll say, and I am also a beginner, so I am definitely going to use this. अभी फट नहीं रहा है, चाकू से काट दूंगी और फट गया. So we'll use it. I don't know why the phobia is written over here, but it works like normal eraser very nicely. It is working. Yeah. And now we will use the kneadable eraser, for which I was so excited. So this is like a clay. We can just convert it in any piece. We can just break it and again we can just combine them. So I'm just breaking it in pieces. This is what the review is for, no? Using the product to the fullest. And now you'll see. It's like a clay. So it basically absorbs all the graphite, So we can use it when we want to do some light areas. So we can use it. You can see. To highlight also we can use it. It's really very nice. Oh, it works in charcoal also. I've never used it on charcoal. And it is the second time I'll tell you I'm using kneadable eraser. Once I bought that eraser when I was in 12th and I lost it after using once. So now I am getting this. And after that for 2 years I was not painting and drawing only. You will not believe this. So I just blend that with the blending stumps, and stumps are also quite not bad. So talking about the product for beginner, I'll say it's good. It's a thumbs up. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it the thumbs up and do share with your friends and family. If you are new at the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video. Thank you. Bye bye.